we're back. All the gluten balls have been washed away to remove the starch, and you'll see I have them aligned on the countertop in the same order that I introduced them. All the way to the right is the all-purpose flour. After the starch was washed away, I have an end weight, and you'll need to write this down, for all-purpose flour of 52.4 grams. Bread flour, after starch was washed away, is 106.9 grams. Cake flour is 28.8 grams. Rye flour is 189.1 grams. And then the cornmeal is 115.9 grams. If you'll notice on the lab for today, we were supposed to also work with whole wheat flour. Unfortunately, the grocery store was out, and our pantry at the food lab did not have any leftovers from last year. So we will ignore that particular one for this lab. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put them on a parched lime baking sheet and bake them for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll come back and take a look at what the structure will transform into. One note, I used a half a cup of water for all the flour mixtures with the exception of cornmeal. I only used a fourth cup, and that's per the directions of the lab today. The reason being is flour, like sugar, is what we call hygroscopic. It's water loving. So on very dry, not so humid days, you will need typically more liquid to hydrate the flour. The flour will draw moisture from the air, so if it would have been a typical Louisiana day, very humid out, the 1/4 cup of water probably would have worked well enough to hydrate it into a nice cohesive ball. But because it's very sunny, less humid today, is one of the reasons why I had to double the water. So I'll put these in the oven, bake them, and we'll come back and take a look at them.